So what we do, we take a building that was disused and we make it compliant. We put people in there to live. They're securing the building, therefore the landowner is reducing his holding costs. And we're creating these amazing space for creatives.
I'm an artist. I'm living here and I'm able to work 24/7, which is great. So I like to paint sort of in the middle of the night. This is definitely by far the best studio that I've ever had in London.
You go with the flow. That's the one thing that you have to give up is the idea of of being in control of the amount of time you're going to spend in a place.
I know that it's not for everybody, but to have this amount of space and to live with other types of people in the same industry, other creatives, far outweighed any of the negatives of having to share a bathroom or a kitchen with other people.